Hey traders, here's a question. What if I told you that you could trade Forex successfully in just 2 hours a day? No, this isn't some late night infomercial promise. It's real, and I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Whether you're juggling a full-time job, family, or just want more free time, this system is built to maximize your results in minimal time. So let's get started. And by the way, just a quick poll, how many hours a day are you currently spending on trading? Drop a comment below. I'd sure like to know, right? And so let's go ahead and get into our lesson for today. Okay. Now, this is again how to trade Forex in just 2 hours a day, the step-by-step guide to maximize your time and profits. And my name is Dr. Greg McLeod. And I know that you're thinking, 2 hours really enough time to trade Forex? Well, absolutely. If you know where to focus your energy, the secret is preparation, execution, and review. By following this three-phase approach, you'll eliminate distractions, avoid overtrading, and make the most of your time. And let me show you how. And if this sounds like a game changer for your schedule, then smash that like button and let's dive in. Now, phase one is preparation, right? The first 30 minutes are all about preparation. Now, you wouldn't go into battle without a plan. And the same goes for trading. Now, you want to use tools. In fact, Sun Tzu even says, every battle is won before it's ever fought, right? So you got to have a plan. And you also want to be able to take the temperature of the market. And that's why we have tools like what I use. My favorite tool is my market heat map. It's a trade scanner, and it tells you what's hopping, what's popping, what's dropping in the market. Green is an uptrend, red's a downtrend, and gray stay away. You go to mymarketheatmap.com to find out more. Uh, but also, it also has an economic calendar because you want to check where the big liquidity is. And usually, like the crop report and trading places, right? Everyone's going to trade frozen concentrated oranges because that's the crop report, where there's different reports, inflation reports, and CPI reports. And that's usually where the volume is going, and certain currency pairs and indices respond to those news events. So you want to be able to know what those things are. You also want to mark key levels of support and resistance on the chart, and you want to also set this foundation. This sets up the foundation for confident, efficient trading. So, what's your favorite tool for preparing for trades? Let me know. I'm always curious to hear what's working for you. All right. Now, this is where the magic happens, the 1 hour window where you execute your trades. So, here's the game plan. Wait for your setups to come to you. Don't force trades. Don't get FOMO. Don't start chasing trades that you miss. You want to stick to your strategy, whether it's trend following breakouts or my favorite, my pip and run system. Manage your trades actively, adjusting stop losses, taking profits when your plan says to. Remember, quality beats quantity. You don't have to need to take 10 trades to succeed, just the right one. Okay. And did you have a set trading window? Do you trade New York session, the Aussie, New Zealand, or Asia session, or are you trading the London session? Right. Share that in the comments below. What your window of trading is. Okay. Now, the last 30 minutes are all about reflection. Now, if everything went well in your trades or didn't go well, you should be out. Set a timer, get a stopwatch or something to set an alarm, because you don't want to overtrade or be in there too long, right? You don't want to do it. You want to do overtime, right? Overtime is for your job. It's not for your trading, right? You want your lifestyle. You want your trading to fit around your lifestyle. You don't want your lifestyle to fit around your trading, right? So this is where you sharpen your edge. You want to log your trades in a journal, the pair, entry, exit, profit and loss, and notes, and analyze what worked and what didn't. Identify patterns in your behavior. Are you following your plan? Or are your emotions creeping in? Are you upset that day? Did you have a fight with your spouse, or maybe an argument with a coworker, and maybe those emotions are trickling into your trading? This this step doesn't just make you better trader. It makes you into a smarter one. Okay. So remember, those who can't learn from history are doomed to repeat it. And you don't want to be doomed, okay? Review equals growth. And if you're not reviewing, you're not growing. If you're not growing, you're not profiting, right? You see how it all kind of like works together? So be honest. How often do you review your trades? And if you're skipping this step, type guilty in the comments and let us fix it together, right? Cool. So let's recap the 2 hour system. You want to spend 30 minutes preparing your trades, analyze the market, check the news, and mark your charts. Spend an hour executing high quality trades. Stick to your plan, avoid distractions. Be picky about your trade selection, only choosing the best possible setups, whether they're pip and run setups, if you're in pip and run program, but if you're not, you've got to be able to identify what a good quality setup looks like. And when you spend that 30 minutes reviewing your trades, you want to log everything, analyze your performance, and adjust for tomorrow. Simple, right? But simplicity, that's what makes it powerful. Okay? So which phase do you think will have the biggest impact in your trading? Comment below. I want to hear your thoughts. Is it preparation? Is it execution? Or is it review? Okay? Preparation, execution, and review. Now, I tell you what, you got to take action. So are you ready to take action? Do you want the next step? The next step that I recommend that every single one of you take is register to watch my free masterclass, 4 Pillars to 6 Figures. It's designed to help you apply these 3 steps every time you trade, and the link is pinned in the description below. And hey, if you got value from this, just hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video. Let's help more traders master their time to work smarter and not harder. All right, guys. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for spending time with me. I really appreciate you. Thank you for just being my favorite audience, my only audience. And remember, trading doesn't have to consume your entire day. With the right system and discipline, you can get results in just 2 hours. Remember, you don't want your trading to be a job. You already have one of those, and you're trying to get rid of it, right? So why are you trying to make this an 8-hour job? If you can't do it in 2 hours, then you need to find another job, right? So stay focused, stay disciplined, and you'll see you in the next video, okay? Until then, this is Dr. McLeod, and happy trading.